Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Check Windows version and exact AMD GPU model in Device Manager so you download the correct package. Once done, create a system restore point and close background apps to avoid conflicts. This prevents rollback issues. Then download the latest AMD Adrenalin installer from the official source, but do not run it yet. You will switch the driver to a clean state next, making sure the system is ready for an uninterrupted installation. You boot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove leftover AMD driver files and registry entries. This step avoids version conflicts. Once the system reboots normally, run the downloaded AMD Adrenalin installer as administrator. Choose Custom, then Clean Install so old components are replaced. Monitor the installer for optional packages and skip extraneous apps. After the first reboot, let Windows finalize devices, then reboot again to ensure drivers load cleanly, and the GPU is recognized without error. You finish by opening AMD software to confirm the installed driver version and test a simple GPU workload. This verifies stability. If the driver still fails to update, roll back to the previous driver through Device Manager or install an earlier legacy package, since newer builds can break older hardware. If problems persist, reset BIOS to defaults and reseat the GPU in its slot while powered down. These steps address hardware recognition faults. One key tip: check Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.